Hello everyone, welcome to week one. This is the instructor overview for the week. If you have not seen the instructor introduction, really quick, I'm Will Netterson, your instructor. Looking forward to working with you guys. We'll meet actually in the next couple of days as well for week one. My point really quick is you should see the cursor over here by Meet Instructor, and that's where you'll see the instructor video to get a background of who I am. So week one is really about introduction into educational leadership. You'll see the topics here, looking at what's educational leadership, relationship between the ISLIC standards, the capsules, and CAPES, which are all admin leadership standards, and seeing how we connect those standards to what's expected of ed leadership. Then we'll talk about the resources of our program and the NIH certification, which is the National Institute of Health. Is looking at being able to work with individuals to do research with them, which is a starting building block for your course, actually for work up into your action research as you get towards the end of the program. So the learning outcomes are right there. I'm not going to go through those, so you can read those on your own, but that is always going to be stated for you and how it connects with our learning outcomes, which are listed in our syllabus. So you're in week one looking, have clicked on week one. So what's expected of you for this week is you're asked to read from Practicing the Art of Leadership, Chapter 1 and 2. It's the green text, so I'll always refer to Practicing the Art of Leadership as the green text. So Chapter 1 is about standard competencies and accountability measures, and Chapter 2 is about establishing a framework for leadership. And then there's a Drew Dudley TED Talk that you're asked to view, and then there's a 5-page difference between managers and leaders. So that's the reading and video work expected for this week. Every week you'll have a learning module that you'll complete that's self-paced on your own. So there is a discussion board this week that's really just an introduction that I'm going to ask you to complete, letting me know who you are, what do you see as educational leadership, and what great strengths have you seen of others. And then please post a picture of yourself as well so we can see who you are. Concordia Eats Week, the benefit of being at a Christian college, has a Christian message that's an option for you. I just encourage you to give that devotion time up and spend that time investing in yourself and your relationship with God, but that's there. And then the reminder for you, there's a live session this week. It's on Tuesday, March the 6th at 6 p.m. You'll go into the Collaborate room, which you'll find under Resources. Not Resources, under Course Items. Click on to Collaborate, and it should take you to this Join Room, and you'll click on that, and that's how you'll join me on Tuesday night at 6 p.m. for our live session. I hope that you have a great week. Please don't hesitate to email, text, or call if you have any questions. God bless.